Hey, Bookie Buds. Today we're doing another wig install. So we're going to start by prepping our hair. We have our HD stocking caps. And then we're going to go in with the Charisma Extension Stimulating Hair Potion. If you guys want the link to this, it will be in the description box below. Once you apply that, you're going to go ahead and work that into your scalp, honey. Yes, if y'all want to know how to grow your edges back, this is how. Then you're going to go ahead and clean your hairline with the alcohol and then go ahead and apply your stocking cap. Now, this step, I do this to extend the stocking cap because I have a big head. So if you have a fairly larger head, go ahead and do this step. If not, go ahead and just apply the stocking cap. Now, once you have your stocking cap on, make sure it's down all the way. And then you're going to grab the sides and pull it back from the back. And grab the front and then pull it down the back. As you just see me do here. With doing that is ensuring that your stocking cap is as flat and thin as possible. Now I know y'all know how to do the rest, so I'm gonna be quiet and let y'all watch.
It's some bullshit that I went through. Oh, it's not the same with you. Don't make me feel away. Days though I never change. Yeah, relieve all the pain. Make me forget those things. Oh, I wanna lay with you. See what this thing will do. Yeah, put me on something new. Put me on.
But I don't know her, had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today.
Once you applied your thin layer of lace glue, you're going to go ahead and go over it with your got to be spread. Now, when you're applying your lace glue, you don't want to put too much, and always make sure it is in front of your hairline. In front of your hairline, meaning on the skin, not on your actual hair. This is very important because you will lose hair if you put lace glue on your natural hair. So now we're going in with the Ruby Kisses and a number 14. I always tell people to use a cream-based foundation. It just works better, it's less messy, and it applies easier.
Say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow.
So this wig we are applying today is from Amazon. All the descriptions about the wig will be in the description below. So far, I'm definitely giving this wig a 10 out of 10. It holds a curl. Well, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 just because to me it's not true to length.
Just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. How you say it so with me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down. Cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hammer down. Thought he wasn't gonna have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now it says can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit up. I don't smoke no two shots. Flying with my gang and them. Look at them like sisters. Bitches be lame, they go outside.
So now I'm going to just put the wig on my head just to see the placement of the wig, see any extra lace I may have to cut off. With this install, I did pre-pluck it as the widow's peak, so it does not come as you see it here, plucked. You will have to, pluck your own widow's peak and customize it to your liking.
He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep up. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow.
I think I found the love of my life. Let's go.
Have you ever felt warm on the floor? I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic.
So now I'm just gonna go ear to ear to make sure that the wig fits like a glove, honey. We're gonna make sure that wig is giving you a facelift. It's gonna look like you just got a facelift and some Botox, honey. That's how you want your wig to feel. You want that wig to feel snatched, honey. Yes, ma'am. So this part here is for beginners. You want to get you a white eyeliner, lip liner, whatever. It could be lip liner, eyeliner. With this, you're going to go ahead and mark in front of the hairline where you're going to lay the wig. Meaning, do not put it exactly where you want the glue. You want to put it in front of the glue. You'll see in a second if you don't understand what I'm saying. These lines are to ensure that you don't put too much glue when you are applying the glue for your wig. You want to make sure that you are just only marking, like, I call it like the points of the hairline. So you're going to see in this next part, because once you flip it back, it should look something like this. And don't worry about the white marks on the lace. I am going to go in and wipe some of that off. If it is a little residue left after you wipe some off with alcohol, it's fine, no worries, because you will be cutting off that excess lace. That is why I say do not put the white the white liner where you want exactly where you're going to lay the wig, because it's going to make it look white and crazy. Here I am just wiping away those marks that I did put as my guide, because as I lay the glue, I can see where the glue needs to stop at. So, yeah. Okay, so once you went ahead and applied your lace glue, you're going to go ahead and lay your wig down into the glue. This is self-explanatory. Then you're going to go ahead and put that band on. Typically, I just put my band on for 30 to 45 minutes and do some stuff around the house or watch TV or something. I just keep my band on. If you are in a rush, I will say, just put the band on while you're getting dressed. Like, make your hair like the first thing that you do. Everything else is last, because you want that band to lay your lace down and melt that hair, honey. And now here I am wiping off that excess white line that I was telling you guys about earlier. As you can see, some of it came off, but not much. But no worries, because like I said, we are going to go ahead and cut off that extra lace.
It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you, so I confess, won't you?
Now we're going to pin our hair up and go ahead and remove that elastic band from our lace. Don't be alarmed if you remove your elastic band and it doesn't look how you want it to look right away, because doing lace wigs and lace installs, it's always a process. If you know, honey, you know. So just trust the process, ladies.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby.
So now we're going to take a razor. You can take an eyebrow razor or a straight razor, and you want to cut as close as you can to the hairline.
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had show you something, give me more than words. We've had this place show you something, give me more than words. We've had this place it's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come with you, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had it, that's all.
For this next step, you're going to take that same Ruby Kisses shade that you used, and you're going to lightly tap your hairline. I know it may seem or appear a little lighter in this video, as you can see. Even if you do it in a person, it sometimes appear a little lighter, but that is okay. Your scalp is lighter than your skin, but we're going to go ahead and blend that in. We're going to take our Fantasia liquid mousse and go ahead and spread it along our hairline, honey, and everything else is self-explanatory, honey. Just look at that. Look at that milk. It's not even complete, but look at that milk, honey. You would not go wrong with these steps. Follow these steps and let me know, like, what it does for you. Like, is it a difference? Is it the same thing, honey? Just let me know. Okay, so now we're gonna go back in with our milk band. I don't really use the Velcro in the back. To me, it's not tight enough, so I just do like a regular knot in the back and tie the band down. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Now we're going to leave the band on for 30 minutes. After leaving our band on for another 30 minutes, and that is an hour in total, go ahead and remove that, and you should be looking something like this, honey. Yes, looking good already, looking good. No baby hairs. We will have to go ahead and wipe some of the the hair product off of the front of the hairline, but that is okay. That's about to take up. Now I'm just sitting here cleaning my part. Sorry if I got distracted. I was looking at a YouTube video. Here I'm just cleaning up my parts to make it as straight and neat as possible. after we define our parts, I'm just going ahead and check and do a little tug test. Yes, honey, that wig not going nowhere. Hold on. Yeah, she's not going nowhere. So now I am just going in, cutting light layers into the hair to give it that stacked look when you curl hair. If you know what I mean. Nothing too crazy. You want to start, I tell people to start below their cheekbone and go from there for their guideline. It is easier for me that way. I cut my hair in layers different type of ways, but for me, I think this is very beginner friendly to cut your layers. That's the way you're saying me cut them now.
Hey. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I gave you all you needing. I know what you like.
Okay, so once we cut our layers, we're gonna go ahead and curl the hair, honey, and y'all see the curls are already given. I did not do the styling all the way in this video. If y'all would like to see how I style and curl my hair, just comment down below and I will make a separate video for that. For these curls, I did use my Babyliss Pro curling irons, and I did use my Nairobi Shaping Hoe spray. And need this Shaping Hoe spray. It's gonna do it for you every time, like chef kiss. So I am just spraying my hair before I do take my pins out. Just wait till I take these pins out. This way it's gonna be, y'all gonna see.
And I know you want to find is the things asking me about settling down, cause you know that things are going my way.
Baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Not till the morning, my head wants to dance from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all you, give me all you need, give me all you need, give me all. Make I give you all you need, every touch you need, give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
Y'all just look at this, like this just eats the gross up, honey. Like, yes. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I love y'all bookies. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all the next one. Bye.
High heels on my tippies. Dough, say ain't Gabbana, that's on my titties. Have me Betterman when I bite the dick. I still got the juice, bitch, bite a sippy.